Welcome to the April 2026 iOS Developer Briefing. This month has been one of the most significant for toolchain updates in years. We have 4 critical updates that every iOS developer needs to know about before they open Xcode tomorrow. Each one affects your pipeline differently. The biggest one is a hard submission block hitting on April 28th. If your CI isn't ready, your next upload will fail immediately. We also have a silent crash issue in production code that's been affecting async functions since Swift 6.2. We'll show you the fix. And later, I'll share 3 numbers from the job market that explain exactly why the career landscape has changed for senior engineers. If you want to stay ahead of the curve and skip the noise, subscribe now. Let's dive into Story 1. Story 1. The April 28th App Store mandate. This is a critical toolchain requirement for all Apple platforms. Every app or game uploaded to App Store Connect must now be built with the iOS 26 SDK or its equivalent for visionOS and watchOS. To be clear, this is a toolchain requirement, not a UI mandate. You don't have to adopt Liquid Glass yet, but you must compile with Xcode 26. Operationally, this means your CI runner must be updated. Archives produced by older Xcode versions will be rejected at the gate. Check your runner configuration immediately. Ensure Xcode select points to version 26 and verify your Fastlane gem flags. Do a smoke test with a test flight build today. Don't wait until April 29th to discover a broken pipeline in your production branch. Story 2. Xcode 26.4.1. This point release is more important than it looks, especially for async code. It addresses a MetricKit crash on older OS versions and a critical memory safety bug in the Swift concurrency runtime. The bug involves stack allocation in async functions. It causes freed pointer crashes, particularly in Swift async let finish. Why now? The optimizers in Swift 6.2 and 6.3 became much more efficient, which unfortunately exposed these pre-existing bugs. MetricKit apps built with 26.4 would crash on devices running anything below iOS 26.4 due to missing symbols. The fix is simple. Rebuild with Xcode 26.4.1. This is now available on all major CI platforms, including Circle CI. Story 3, Swift 6.3.1. Released on April 17th, this patch is bundled inside the latest Xcode release. Beyond the async fix, it resolves a Windows LLDB library path issue and a narrow but annoying bug in Swift testing. If you had a domain model named comment, the expect macro would fail to build. 6.3.1 fixes this conflict. For cross-platform teams, the LLDB fix on Windows is huge. It restores debugger functionality on no-asserts toolchains. Story 4. Xcode 26.5 Beta. This update introduces the biggest change to StoreKit since the original StoreKit 2 release. The new pricing terms model allows you to handle 12-month commitment billing plans directly through the SDK. This architecture eliminates the need for hard-coded pricing strings. You can pull commitment metadata live from Apple's servers. Watch out for a known issue in the beta. SK test session may ignore your configuration. There is a documented workaround. Now let's talk about the iOS job market. The numbers for April 2026 tell a very specific story about our industry. Number 1, specialist job postings are down 60%. This isn't a dip, it's a long-term shift in hiring. Number 2, productivity tools like SwiftUI mean smaller teams can now achieve the same throughput as massive UIKit teams. The result? Junior roles are compressing, but the demand for senior engineers who own the entire pipeline is surging. In 2026, standard senior software engineer salaries in the US are reaching around $185,000, while US-based senior contractors can command rates of up to $180 per hour. The floor of this market is crowded. The ceiling is still wide open. In 2026, your best career hedge is investing in deep architecture. Define clear layers, design for modularity, and build CI/CD from day one. To recap, update your CI to Xcode 26, rebuild for memory safety, and start testing those new subscription APIs. Subscribe to stay ahead, hit the thumbs up, and join the Code Hero community. I'm Code Hero. See you in the next one.